Hey everyone, it's us again. Today, my legendary DIY dad is building an ancient-style fish tank house. Sounds old school already, right? Let's follow along and see how this vintage masterpiece comes together. First things first, Dad sweeps the area spotless. Construction site unlocked. Draw a rectangle on the ground, lays bricks neatly inside, add sand to seal the gaps, then pour a cement all over, solid aquarium floor. Day's done. Now onto the walls and filter system. He looks like a pro contractor. Covers both sides with cement. Recycles old concrete for the edges, cheap, strong, eco-friendly. Seals up every edge, no leaks on Dad's watch. Next, he grabs old concrete slabs to make the base for a second floor. Builds two classic temple-style columns and smooths them out with cement. Keeps going. Walls for the second floor go up. Smooths both sides, shaping them nicely, looking classy. Then he recycles leftover wood into a traditional style roof. Roof done. Coated in golden brown paint, anti-termite protection included. Builds a tiny wooden house frame. Small but full of character. Adds plastic panels as walls. Paints the walls a refreshing green. Next up, glass panel on the front of aquarium. Installs the divider for the filter system. Light purple paint for the temple columns, so dreamy. Adds golden brown to highlight the second floor facade. A soft light blue coat for the tank's exterior. Bottom edges in golden brown. Once the roof dries, it's placed neatly on the columns. The little house gets mounted on the second floor, finishing touches coming together. Then he adds the waterfall spout and pump. Fills it with water and lets it soak for 7 days. Bonus life hack, toss in some banana tree trunks to remove that cement smell faster. After 7 days, drains it all out. Drop ceramic filter media into the system and gravel on the bottom. Plant some greenery, adds decorations all around. Finishing touches matter. Finally, fresh, clean water goes in. And release the fish. And that's it! Our ancient-style fish tank house is done. A regular corner of the garden just turned into a nostalgic, artsy masterpiece. Guaranteed, any guest who walks by is going to be speechless. Thanks a ton for sticking with me through this quirky little build. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my weird, wonderful, and totally unique DIY ideas. See you in the next one.